In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show hidden fields in Airtable so you can bring back exactly the columns you need for any view. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. If you aren't already logged in, click the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, open the base you want to edit. Think of a base as your main project file. It holds all your tables and data. Next, select the table that contains the hidden fields. Each table is like a separate spreadsheet within your base, so make sure you're in the right one. Then, open the view where you want to display the fields. Views are different ways of looking at the same data, like a grid, calendar, or gallery. The fields you show or hide in one view won't affect another unless you choose to sync them. Now, look at the toolbar at the top of your table and click the Hide Fields button. It looks like an eye icon, and it's your gateway to controlling what you see. A list will appear showing all the fields in your table split into visible and hidden sections. The hidden ones are unchecked by default. Scroll through that list and locate the fields you want to bring back. When you find one, simply check the box next to it. You can select multiple fields at once if you need to show several. Once you've checked all the fields you want visible, close the Field menu by clicking anywhere outside of it or clicking the Hide Fields button again. You'll see the selected columns immediately reappear in your table. If the order doesn't feel right, you can rearrange the fields by clicking and dragging any column header to your preferred position. This is a great way to highlight the most important information first. Take a moment to review the table and confirm that all the fields are now visible and in the order you want. And here's the best part. Airtable saves your view settings automatically, so you don't need to hit a save button or worry about losing your changes. Just a couple of quick tips before we finish. Keep in mind that showing a hidden field never affects the data stored within it. All your information stays safe and intact. And remember, field visibility changes apply only to the current view unless you replicate the settings elsewhere. Using hide and show like this keeps each view organized and focused on exactly what matters. You've now successfully shown hidden fields in Airtable, making your view cleaner and more useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.